Hello and welcome to another Process Love Candy. My name is Mark Sheard, and in today's drawing challenge we're going to be practicing perspective with some letterboxes here. So for a quick refresher on your 3-point perspective, on a square object all the edges follow converging lines to the horizon point, making them taper as they recede into the distance. In 1-point perspective, those converging lines on the vertical and horizontal areas, they're still there. They're just so slight you can hardly notice them. So most people just don't bother doing them. They'll just do dead set straight lines up and across. And when you get to a 2-point perspective, your vertical lines are still dead set straight, so you don't bother with any receding or tapering lines there as they go into the distance. But on the other two facades, you need to taper those edges as they converge together into the distance. And finally, 3-point perspective is when you need to do it on every single edge of your object as they taper. This is generally for angled drawings. This makes things look taller or shorter, but if they're really on an obscure angle, you'll need to do this. So let's get into our drawings. Now there'll be no time to erase anything, so just work in pen, I highly recommend. Don't worry too much about making mistakes. This is more about practice and progression. With that in mind, let's have some fun. Draw these nice and rough and loosely. If you need more time, feel free to pause the video as you progress, and let's see how we do. Alright, let's get ready for the first drawing here. Alright, well there we go. Well, I'm pretty happy with my drawings here. they're pretty loose and rough and some wonky lines in there, but this is the whole reason why a lot of cartoonists like to draw broken objects and deteriorated buildings and stuff, because then your perspective lines don't really matter too much, and you can make a few fumbles here and there and no one's going to notice. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope your drawings came out well. I'll see you in the sunshine, people. You've been hanging out with Mark Sheard. Bye.